Let's make a cake.
Hi, Judd here. We have just had a torrential downpour. My scooter got soaked when I went to Walmart because it poured. It was torrential. I actually bought a pack of cloths because I had to dry off when I got in Walmart. I bought a new cake pan because the 8x8 cake pans make my cakes come out too thick. So I bought a 9x9 cake pan. I would have bought 11x11, but they didn't have that. But I bought a 9x9, and I was talking to a lady in the aisle there because I hate buying eggs, because I buy eggs and I need 1 or 3 for the mix, and I can't eat eggs. They don't like me. And I found out you can substitute in applesauce for eggs. It's like a 1/4 cup of applesauce equals an egg. So I'm going to do that, and I think my cake's going to be better, and it's certainly going to sit better in my stomach. So there you go. Handy little tip for you if you didn't know that already. You people probably already know that, you know, like I'm not a kitchen person.
Starting with Pillsbury gluten-free classic yellow premium cake mix. And they want 1 cup of water, 1/3 cup of oil, 3 eggs. But I'm going to substitute something for the eggs. 1 cup of water. Ooh, that's a lot of oil. 1/3 cup of oil. Hey, oil and water don't mix. And 3 eggs, for which I will do 3 things of applesauce. Assuming, ooh, okay, there we go. They're getting away from me. Whoa, man, these packages are a pain in the butt. And I want a 1/4 cup per egg of applesauce. Assuming. That is. That's 1/3 of a cup. Okay. So 2 of these might get me where I need to go. Alright, so that's 3/4 of a cup. Okay, so that's 3 eggs. Interesting. So it took 2 of these 4-ounce cups to make 3 eggs. And boy, was the chicken surprised. Oh yeah, and my old trusty vanilla. Cap full of vanilla. Sugar, just because I like sugar. There we go. Stir that up. Doesn't need a lot of stirring because there's no eggs. And the magic powder. Ooh, this is very wet. This is more like soup than cake. We'll see what happens. This is smelling fantastic. And looking pretty good too, huh? That actually looks pretty decent. It's batter. Yeah, I can go with this. They wanted this coated, so we'll coat it. Now this is a 9x9 pan as opposed to an 8x8, so this ought to come out a little thinner, which is what I want. So I'm sick of having these cakes that are like 1 inch around the edge and like 3 inches in the middle. You know, which might have something to do with the fact that I'm cooking in a toaster oven. I just tasted the batter. Wow. Oh my God. The batter is to die for, taste-wise. Let's see what happens with this baby. I'm thinking this is holding promises. That might be the most delicious thing I've ever tasted. I hope the cake is as good as the batter. Okay, that looks good. Oven should be plenty heated by now. I'm thinking 35 minutes.
Oh baby, it just came out and it is smelling like heaven itself, and it passed the toothpick test. I had it in there 35 minutes in the 9-inch pan, 9x9. Didn't get all rosing up, so I got what I wanted that with the bigger pan. If anybody ever needed a reason to invent smell-o-vision, this is it. This is, oh my God, I'm in heaven. Oh my God. I just flipped it, it came out without any problem. Look at that, barely a crumb in there. And look how beautifully, homogeneously cooked that is and mixed. Oh my God, I think I've discovered the secret to nirvana. Man, oh man. Woo-wee.
Okay, it's that time. Got my cup of tea ready. I'll tell you, all I'm going to do is have a little bite here because then I'm going to sit down and enjoy half this cake. There we go. Look at that beauty, man. That's flat. The whole thing's flat. I love that. That was one of the things I was going for. So let's see. Oh, wow. Soft. Okay, let's just take up a little. Oh, ho, ho, ho. Okay, here's a little piece. See? Nice and fluffy. Okay, here we go. Ah. Mmm. Wow. Mm. Wow. Okay, very much like yellow cake, but there's something extra there. And the chew, it's got a real nice chew to it. And the aftertaste is like incredible. So there you go. You saw the recipe, you saw what I did. It works. Wow. And the aftertaste just keeps getting better. Oh my God. Wow. And make a note, I did use the cinnamon applesauce. Wow. That's good. All right, there you go. Happy day to you.